How to change the theme in Claude AI on Android. This tutorial shows you how to switch between light mode, dark mode, or sync it with your system settings. First, open the Claude app on your Android device. From there, tap the menu icon at the top left of the screen to open the sidebar. After that, tap the gear icon to open settings. At this point, scroll down and tap color mode to open the theme options. Following this, you'll see three options to choose from: light, dark, and system. From here, tap light if you prefer a bright white interface, or tap dark if you want a darker look that's easier on the eyes, especially in low light conditions. After that, if you'd rather not manually switch between the two, select System. This will automatically match Claude's appearance to whatever theme your phone is currently set to, so if your phone switches to dark mode at night, Claude will follow along automatically. Finally, once you tap your preferred option, the theme will apply instantly, with no need to restart the app. That's how you change the theme in Claude AI on Android. If this helped, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. See you in the next one.